Well, hey, I just wanted to touch base with you with this new tool that I'm using called Syllaby. It's really been a game changer for me making faceless videos on YouTube. So I really wanted to share this because I know a lot of folks are on this journey and are looking for solutions. And with AI, there are a lot of kind of iffy solutions that are out there. And so it's kind of important for me to share this with y'all. Um, so Syllaby is one of the newer tools that's on the market. It's been around for about a year, maybe not quite a year, but they are growing fast and they're implementing quickly. And so jump on right now because this is an exploding trend that's going on with these faceless videos. And I'm going to show you some proof. First, I want to show you this is the website Syllaby. And there's tons of different types of faceless videos, and I'm going to walk you through the dashboard. But before I did that, I wanted to show you some of my proof. Now I'm going to obviously blur out my channel information because I think you don't really need to see that, but what you do need to see is my numbers. Now I started this channel November 16th, and you can see we're just going along. And I'm going to toggle and show you December, and you can see the growth. Now, Syllaby gave me the opportunity to work consistently uploading 2 videos a day is pretty much what I upload, 2 faceless videos. And then as I started getting traction and I started getting subscribers rather quickly, this is just 1 month in, mind you. All right, I started at the middle of November. And by the end of December, I had 1,467 subscriptions. And then coming here to January, the end of January here, I am now at 1,925. I still have watch hours to go, so that's when I had to start introducing longer form videos to start getting some of the watch time. But now I have the subscribers and I just need to push through the watch time, and Syllaby allows me to create those videos as I need them. So let's move to the dashboard that Syllaby has. So there's quite a bit going on the dashboard. We can make faceless videos. I really want to emphasize the fact that you also can create clones of yourself as well. So here's the dashboard. We can also generate content ideas, so it has a built-in AI script writer for you. So if you don't use ChatGPT, you can come here and they have it hooked to Google, to different trends, to YouTube, to Instagram, so you can actually discover ideas that are coming from all these different platforms. Now, each thing that you query does cost you credit, so that is important, and there's no platform that doesn't cost you credits. I've been on quite a number of platforms in video and others, and this platform has some of the most reasonably priced credits that I have seen, quite honestly. I personally use ChatGPT to write my particular scripts, but you don't have to use ChatGPT. You can come here and generate them yourself. There's all kinds of great ideas. You can clone yourself here. You can also clone your voice, and I cloned my voice and it came out super well. I was really impressed. They have a video editor so that you can actually do some video editing. If you don't have CapCut, you can do video editing right here on this platform. I use CapCut, so I don't use this video editor. So you have choices if you don't have those other tool sets. This makes sure that you have everything that you need and you don't have to go to external tools if you do not have them. This bulk scheduler is the most amazing thing that they do have. It's new, and I don't use it quite yet, but you can schedule out up to 30 days, depending on the plan that you have. You can schedule out videos across multiple platforms for an entire month. So you can come in on a Monday, the first of the month, and schedule out your entire month of videos if you wanted to using this bulk scheduler. And then when we're publishing our videos, you basically will go to your list of videos and you'll post them to your social media accounts. And this actually toggles to lots of different social media accounts. So you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube, you can use Facebook, you can go to Instagram, LinkedIn, and they're adding more platforms all the time. In my videos, I basically would scrub through my videos and edit them here in this particular platform, and then I also have them stored in folders so that I can reutilize them. I can download them as well to my own computer or to my backup hard drive. So I can use them on other platforms if I don't have anything opened yet. So maybe I want to open an Instagram account next month. I can download these if I wanted to, because you do have a certain storage limit on this platform. But I have them so that I can download them and they're mine. The calendar is the best thing since sliced bread, is really all I can say. Since I post to multiple different channels at a time, this is my calendar. So you can see I have 3 videos posted on this day, 3 this day, 3 this day. So I come in on Monday and I do all my videos for the week. And then I basically have the rest of the week to do other things. Now, the one thing that's important to understand is that when I used to do these by hand, it would take me almost all week to create the videos that I now can make in a day. I can make 20 videos on Syllaby in an hour. 20 videos in an hour. I want to underscore that. 20 videos in an hour. So that means I go to ChatGPT and I have my scripts done and I just come and pop those scripts in and push a button and start generating videos. So my calendar's all full and I will on Monday come in and add more videos for the next week. Now I don't have the highest plan. If I did, I would schedule out my whole month. Right now, I schedule out 1 week at a time because that's the maximum that I have at my level of pricing. So this is just something I really want to let you guys know about because Syllaby is an up-and-coming game changer. If you want to build growth and you want to be consistent, because that's the hardest thing on YouTube is being consistent. This will help you with your consistency so that you come in and have videos being posted every single day. So hopefully you've gotten something from this, and I have a link down below and there's a link here on the video. Please take a look. There's a 7-day trial and you can come through. The other thing I wanted to mention is we have an amazing Facebook group. And in that Facebook group, people are sharing their wins, sharing their what they're doing, sharing questions, asking questions. And Austin is the person who owns Syllaby. And he is very active in this group. He's very tied into our success. He wants to make sure that everybody succeeds. And he's very happy to answer your questions. Plus support comes in and answers your questions. They make sure that if you need a demo, they'll help give you a demo. And again, I've worked in technology for a while, and to have Austin, who is the owner of Syllaby, and the founder of Syllaby, be in the group hands-on multiple times a day answering people's questions is, I tell you what, something that you don't generally see from a tool as sophisticated as Syllaby. So hopefully that will get your juices flowing and get you interested in jumping into this wonderful new world of faceless videos. Let me just jump back in here real quick because I want to let you see when we're making our videos, you have so many different styles of video. And right here you saw one. This is sort of a 3D cartoony type video. Well, You have oodles. There's action movie. There's ancient fairy tales. There's animated cartoons. There's animated fantasy. There's art deco. There's old camera. There's black and white. There's cinematic realism, comic book, retro illustration, crime movies, cyberpunk, dark fantasy, digital anime. My computer's just a little bit slow here. Let's see if I can scroll that down. We have ancient Egypt. We have pixel art, paper cut, mechs, caricatures, Western punk, watercolor. We have biblical history, ancient India, Native American. And that just showed that one of my videos was posted. Native American, psychedelic, all these different ones. They're just so much fun. And the thing is that I actually rotate through them because it's going to follow your script and just sort of put this overlay on them. So I use actually almost all of these different ones for my video channel just to make it interesting. So don't feel that you have to be stuck in any one style, because it's fun to just experiment and try your hand at what some of these are. So hopefully you'll jump into the 7-day trial. Again, the link is below, and come and have some fun with us. All right. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.